Good morning, dear children. Once again, welcome to maths class. Today, let us discuss page number 24 activities. Before that, just we revise the formula what we studied in the last class. So, our first formula, that is average. So, average is equal to total divided by number. Okay. The second formula, this we studied in the last class, that is total is equal to average into number. Suppose if you want to find the total, the average and number is given, then we can find the total. Okay, this is the next formula. That is number is equal to total divided by average. Suppose the total and average is given, we can find the number. Okay. So now we have three formulas. These formulas are very important. You have to by heart it. Okay. Now let us discuss first problem using these formulas. Okay. If you know these formulas, we can do it as very easy. Okay. So our first question, page number 24.
Children were asked to donate books to the school library. Using the given details, fill up the table below. Here you can see a table and classes given, number of children, number of books and average given. Here some columns are not filled. That columns you have to find it. So this is the list of students, the book donation of the school library. Okay.
This table is given in your textbook. Okay. Here you can see some blanks. 2, 3 blanks you can see. We have to complete these blanks. So here you can see 6th A, 6th B, 6th C and 6th D, number of children and number of books. Then average is given. Okay. So here you see, take this is the total. Number of books is the total and number of children, this is the number and this is the average. Okay. So in this box we have to find one average. Here we have to find one number of books, that is total, and here we have to find the number of children. Okay. It's very easy for you to do. First take the formula and apply it. Okay, that will be. So first, what we have to find it here? We have to find the average. What is the formula average? Average is equal to total divided by number. Total divided by number. You can do it here. That is easy for you. So total is how much? 240 is the total and 240 is the number. So 240 divided by 40. Can cancel zeros. Okay. Then 6 fours are 24. So what is the answer? 6 is the answer. So average 240 divided by 40, then we will get 6. So 6 is the average. Okay, so we got the answer 6. Next one, 6th B, we have to find the number of children. How can you find the number of children? What is the formula? Number, finding the number, total. Number is equal to total divided by average. That is, total is how much? 175 divided by average is 5. 175 and 5. Then 3 5s are 15. 2 remainder. 5 5s are 25. Now we got 35. So 6th C class, number of children is 35. Okay. Next, what we have to find it? Total we have to find it. Last class we studied the formula. What is how to find the total? Total is equal to average into number. So average 32 and number is 10. So we can write directly, that is 320. 32 into 10 is 32 into 1. Then add 1 0. So total is 320. Now we can complete. Now we completed all the dash. Okay. Next question. The average age of a child in a class of 35 is 11. The average age including the teacher is 12. How old is the teacher? Simple question now. Last class we done the same model problem. So our question is, the average age of 35 children in the class is 11. Next, average age of 36, that means including the teacher. 35 plus 1, that is 36. So that is teacher and children. Then the average is given that 12. Then we have to find the age of the teacher, we have to find it. Okay. So first, average age of 35 children. It is given in the question. Average age of 35 is 11. 35 children only, average is 11. Next you have to find the total age of 35 children. How can you find the total? We studied the formula, that is average into number. Average into number, that is 11 into 35. We know that 11 into 35 is 385. 385. Okay. Next, total age of 36 including teacher. Here 35 and 11 into 35. Including the teacher. So it is given that now the average is 12 and the teacher is including. So 12 into 36. So 12 into 36, that is 432. Equal to 432. Next, age of the teacher. Then now with the teacher and without teacher we find the average. Okay, sorry, the total. Now how can you find the age of the teacher? We know that if subtract total age of 36 including the teacher minus total age of 35 children. Including the teacher, then subtract only children. Understood? So subtract, that is 432 minus 385. Okay, after subtraction we will get 47.
The age of the teacher is 47. The same model question we done in the last class. Okay, easy for you.
Next, third question. That is also the same model question you have to do as homework. Okay. Next, fourth question. There are 8 teachers in a school. When a 35-year-old teacher was transferred and another teacher joined, the average age was increased by 2 years. How old is the new teacher? What's the meaning of the question? There are 8 teachers in a school. Then one teacher transfer. One teacher transfer. What is the age of that teacher? That is 35-year-old teacher transferred. Then one teacher already. Then one teacher newly. One teacher joined. So the average is increased by 2 years. Average increase is 2 years. Then what is the age of the new teacher that we have to find it? Okay. First we will write the steps and find it. Okay. First, total number of teachers. Total number of teachers means 8. In the school 8 teachers. Then increase in average when a new teacher arrived. It is given that the question, the new teacher came, then average is increased, that is 2. Next, total increase in the age of 8 teachers. So one new teacher came. So the total increase, that is 8 into 2. Equal to 60. Next, age of the teacher who got transfer. Transfer ആയ ടീച്ചറിന്റെ ഏജ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 35 ആയിരുന്നു. Next, age of the new teacher. So how can you find the new teacher age? That is 35 plus 60. This total we are adding here. So 35 plus 60. So age of the new teacher is equal to 51. Understood all of you? These all are same on questions. Okay. Practice these questions. Okay. Maths all questions. First lesson, second lesson, all you have to practice well. Then only you can attend the exam. Okay.